In today's tutorial, we will look at how to find y equals mx plus b if we're given 2 points. If you've been given these 2 points and asked to find the y equals mx plus b, you're in actual fact being asked to do 2 things. You'll need to find the m value, or the slope, and you'll need to find the b value, which is the y-intercept. We've done both of these things before. Today we're just going to do them both within the same question. To find the slope between 2 points, we know we can use our slope formula. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 will give us the m value. To find the b value, we need a slope and a point. We will have created the slope once we've used the formula, so we'll have that, but then we'll need to use one of the 2 points in order to find the b value. To find the b, we can pick either of the 2 points and use it along with the slope. To find m, we'll need to start by labeling our points, x1, y1 for the first point, and x2, y2 for the second point. Then we'll need our slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and we'll substitute the appropriate values into the formula. We'll simplify the result so that we can determine our m value. Then we will use our newly found m value and one of the points. I'll pick -2 and 1 because it has smaller numbers and less negatives to worry about. And we'll substitute those values into y equals mx plus b. Our y will be 1, our m will be 3 over 2, and our x will be -2. We'll add b to the end, and this is what we will need to solve for. We will use cross-canceling and simplify to solve for b. And then we will write a concluding statement about what our y equals mx plus b has become using our m of 3 over 2 and our b of +4. And that's how you find the y equals mx plus b from 2 points.